Hey, Corn. Yeah, brother. What's one thing you want to do before you die? Spend time with my family. Well, you won't spend it now. I already know that you killed someone. No, I did not. Hey, didn't you think that I died? Can you just watch out? Watch out for me. Behind you. Oh my god. See ya later, guys. Never mess around with me. Santa. Run. Hey, do you know you're a big bean? What big bean? A little one. Die. And I did it. 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 I did. I did it. I did it. I killed my own brother. I did it. I did it. I did it. No way. I'm sorry. That was an accident. Goodbye. You're about to be tortured. Say goodbye. Wait, no! I didn't even do it! At least we'll have food. Wait, no, I forgot it was burning! Rule of the day. Never eat hot food when it's still hot, or else you will burn. Girl, that's not true. Goodbye. No. I didn't mean it. So, Goodbye.